Hi everyone, my name is Tommy-san. I am a senior at Branham High School. In this two-part series, we will be taking a deep dive into Canvas. Canvas is the tool that many high schools, including our own, are relying on to get through this new phase of distance learning. In this video, I'll be focusing on how to set up a observer account and all about the parent perspective. If you want a detailed walkthrough of each component of Canvas and the student perspective, please see Saket's video on that, and I will link that down in the description. Unfortunately, because I am a student, I don't have the power to sign up for an observer account with Canvas. So in this video, I'll be going over some of the best resources to help you get started with Canvas, and I'll give you a short explanation for each of those resources. I'll link this Notion database that you see here down in the description. You can access this anytime and go to each website by link on the chain-shaped icon to your right. I will demonstrate that later in the video. First, we have how to sign up for a parent account. This website goes over how to sign up for a parent account with Canvas. It has very detailed walkthrough for each component of the process and is a replica of what you can expect to see when you're going through that signing up process. Some of the institutional links are unique to the school district, but you can expect more information from the school about that as we advance to the beginning of the school year. The next step after signing up as a parent account with Canvas is to pair up with your students so you can observe their classes and their statuses. This article goes over the exact process of how you can find your child's pairing code and what you will need to do in order to gain observing access. This next article here is a table of contents of a number of resources that helps you navigate through the iOS app version of Canvas. You can find an assortment of information here, including how to log in on your iOS device and all the different features that you have access to on your iOS version of Canvas. All of the information here are exclusive to the parent account. This next article is extremely similar to the one that we just looked up, just a replica that focuses on the Android devices. It covers all the same content that we mentioned in the last bit. Finally, I attached this page, which is a master FAQ of everything about the Observer account from Canvas. You can find links to all 4 of the articles that I mentioned above. I singled those 4 out because I thought those were the most relevant and the most useful. Of course, you're welcome to check out all the other articles that you think are helpful. And that's it for all the online resources that I've garnered for this video. I'm sure that the school and the district will come out with more detailed instructions on how to sign up with Canvas and how to monitor your child's progress in school. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video on similar topics. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.